guys, this is Malinki. Welcome back to my channel, Voice of Malinki. Today we will talk about structure and function of placenta. And if you are new in my channel, please subscribe my channel. And if you like my video, please do like, comment and share my video. So, placenta is a developing organ in the uterus during pregnancy. So, this is the human uterus. It has 3 walls. The outermost wall is called perimetrium. Middle layer is called myometrium. And the innermost layer is called endometrium. When the embryo is implanted in this endometrium layer, placenta starts to develop. And in this stage, embryo is in its blastocyst form. That means it just crossed modular stage, that is very initial stage of embryo. Placenta is a temporary organ. It allows for the exchange of substances between maternal and fetal blood. Placenta is the disposable organ. It is naturally expelled once its function is completed. Each pregnancy produces a new placenta to support the baby. The blood of the mother and the fetus do not mix in the placenta. Let's talk about structure of placenta. The placenta begins to develop very early in pregnancy, around week 4. Placenta contains 3 layers. The outermost layer is called chorion. It contacts with the endometrium of mother's uterus. Chorion is developed from trophoblast, the outermost layer of blastocyst. Chorion consists of 2 cell layers, inner cytotrophoblast and outer syncytiotrophoblast. The syncytiotrophoblast covers the surface of the placenta. It is a continuous cell layer with multiple nuclei. It develops from the differentiation and fusion of the underlying cytotrophoblast cells. After about 12 weeks of pregnancy, from the outer surface of the chorion, a number of finger-like projections known as chorionic villi grow into the tissue of uterus. Thus, placenta is partly maternal and partly embryonic. The middle layer is called allantois. This is the middle layer. This is called allantois. Allantois is derived from the embryonic hindgut. It is the embryonic precursor of the umbilical cord. You can see the umbilical cord here. Okay. So, blood vessels from fetus pass through this layer. You can see it later in the umbilical cord. The innermost layer is amnion, this red layer. This is amnion. This layer surrounds the fetus. By the end of 14 weeks of pregnancy, the maternal blood supply to the placenta is complete. So, here you can see the yolk sac. The yolk sac is a small membranous structure situated outside of the embryo. The yolk sac has several biological functions during early gestation, such as primitive hematopoiesis, early embryonic blood supply, and germ cell production. The yolk sac forms from the inner cell mass. The inner cell mass differentiates into an epiblast and a hypoblast. This epiblast forms the amnion as well as the embryo, and the hypoblast forms the yolk sac. The yolk sac is the first element seen within the gestational sac during pregnancy, usually at 3 days of gestation. Actually, umbilical cord as well as the fetus blood vessels take some time to develop. Before that, fetus gets its stuff from this yolk sac, since it develops very early. Let's talk about the functions of placenta. Placenta produces baby's umbilical cord. Placenta establishes firm connection between the fetus and mother. Placenta provides nutrients such as glucose, lipids, amino acids, water, vitamins, mineral salts, hormones, antibodies, and oxygen to the fetus, because actually all come from mother. Placenta also removes carbon dioxide and nitrogenous waste from the baby's blood, and those enter into the mother's blood. Placenta acts as an important endocrine gland during pregnancy. Placenta produces a variety of pregnancy-related hormones such as estrogen, human chorionic gonadotropin (HCG), human placental lactogen (HPL), and progesterone. These hormones are required for the fetal growth as well as for the maintenance of pregnancy. Placenta allows selective diffusion. It prevents the passage of harmful materials from maternal blood to the fetal blood. If you want the PDF notes of this topic, please check the description box or first pinned comment. This is all about today's lecture. Thank you.